Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Word into PDF using WPS Office application. Okay, let's get into it guys. For example, I'm going to convert this Word document to the PDF document. Okay, and I'm going to go to the file, select save as, and select other formats. And here for the file type, make sure that you choose PDF format and click on save, and the PDF file will be saved to your device. And hold on, it's almost done guys. Okay, I think it's done, and I'm going to open the file. Again, this is the file I have just converted to the PDF. Okay guys, and that's how we can convert Word to PDF using WPS Office application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.